this is 1 Minute Futures Trader. I trade futures, mostly NQ and ES. And in this video, I want to share some of the things that helped me a lot during my trading journey and hoping to do the same for you. And if you are already trading futures, some of the things I'm going to tell in this video, you may already know about it. And if you are new to futures trading, well, welcome to the futures trading. It is an excitement world. At the same time, it can be a chapter from a suspenseful movie or a fictional book that you are feeling like on a roller coaster of emotions, especially if you are planning to trade NQ, the emotional roller coaster. So you decided to do the day trading futures, and this will be normal if you feel like this. One day you are on top of the world, feeling like a wizard of futures, and the next day your profit and loss statement is redder than a tomato. And you may ask yourself that, is it really market is playing mind games with you? Because sometimes it really feels like that, right? Sometimes the things that the market does on your entries and the exits feels like someone is behind you already watching what you are doing, right? And I had the same question, like, is the market really playing mind games with me? And this is very normal if you feel like that. And you feel like up and down, green to red, emotional train ride is so intense at some times that you are like wanted to throw away your keyboard or do a punch at the screen in front of you because of so much frustration of the trades that happened. And it is very difficult to understand what is happening, right? And the burning question here is, does the market know about our desk damaging desires? Well, spoiler alert, it does not care. Really, the market does not care about how is your feeling or what was your expectations or what happened to your P&L. No idea. So there is no point to make yourself so down about it when some bad things happen. Don't take it so personally because you are not alone on this. So what is the secret to surviving this emotional roller coaster? Now I have good news and the bad news. The bad news first. There is no quick fix or a magical solution that is going to fix everything in very fast. And the good news is it is possible to make this thing work. And don't forget, before you start throwing things around, take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up so much in a bad day. Trading is a never-ending learning game. It's supposed to be a long journey, and keep that in mind. And here are some tips that help me while I'm trading. If you ask me what is the most important thing that I can tell someone that to fix first if they want to be good at day trading, that will be fixing your personal behaviors. Personal behaviors matter. Sure, technical skills are very crucial and very important. They need to complete each other. Without one of them, it is not going to work also. But without the good personal behavior, it is not possible to go through this thing. Mastering your own behavior is a game changer. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. So things take some time to put on the track. So keep that in mind. You need to have a positive personal behavior. And the second most important thing is you need to know how to lose peacefully and happily. If you are not a good loser at this game, it is very difficult to go over the feelings, to be able to get back to normal and look at the charts in a positive way. You need to learn how to take small losses compared to your winning losses. You need to learn how to take small losses. It is about waiting entry. And remember, you are not here to win every day. It will be enough that if we win some days, manage the other days well. You need to deep dive into your trading personality. You need to ask yourself, what kind of trader are you? Understanding yourself is as important as understanding the chart. Once you have figured yourself out, what kind of trader you are, then you need to find a trading system tailored for you. A system that is going to give you a repeated positive behaviors over time. Here is very important, I repeat. First, you need to figure yourself out and find out what kind of trader you are. Then you need to find a tailored system that is going to give you a repeated positive behaviors over time. Pay attention to this. I said over time, right? Not in a day, not in a week, or not in a couple days. or in even a month. Over time can be a long period. So expect things to happen not very fast, because gaining positive personal behaviors takes time, and you need to give that time to yourself. Another most important thing is, as we all know, is the risk management. It is our best friend to keep our losses under control. With the risk management, we try to make them smaller than our winning trades. So your winning trades should be always more than your losing trades. And you need to remind yourself always that you don't have to win every day. You don't have to make profits every day. And when you lose, you need to keep your emotional behaviors in control, and you need to keep your risk management in place, and you need to make your losing days smaller compared to your winning days. And if you are in a bad day, lost a trade, and don't feel good about it, just stand up, stretch, take a break, or you can go outside, walk, do something else. You just change your environment for some time. If you are going to trade that day, just take a break and come back again, or continue tomorrow or another time. If you feel like your feelings are not normal, because you are the only person that is gonna responsible for your trading behaviors. So you are the boss of your trading behaviors and you are responsible for it. So you need to manage your behaviors when you need to. So far, what we have discussed here is, first, you need to understand that trading is not easy. You need to understand that trading is a long journey. It is not going to happen in few days or few weeks. It may take longer time than you expect. And you need to have few things in place before you even start trading. And those things are, the first is you need to have a good trading behavior, and you need to keep working on that all the time to make that trading behavior better every day. And the other one is you need to find out what kind of trader you are so that you can find a custom trading system for yourself so that you can get a repeated positive behaviors over time. And the another one is having a good risk management system in place, which is going to make your losing days smaller compared to your winning days. If you pay attention to these, I am sure that you are going to see a lot of improvement with your trading. And before I close the video, I also want to talk about the prep work before you starting your day trading. So before you start your day trading for the day, we need to understand the market structure. We need to find out the layout of the market for that day. We need to look at the bigger time frames. We need to find the important support resistance levels. We need to look at the overnight session. What is the high? What is the low of the overnight? What is the prior day high and lows? And if you are in a close to important time frame like a monthly high or low, just mark those. So you have your boundaries of the market in front of you. So you know your boundaries, because all the magic most of the time happens when you see the price action interacts with these boundary levels. And the another thing you need to do is you need to tell yourself, what is your expectation for the day? What the market looks like for the day? Is it looking like it is going to be a trending day, or more like a sideways range bound trading day? Or is it going to be a super choppy days with lots of wicks because we have a strong move prior? Or in the overnight session, we have a really choppy session, then we may see a trend after breaking those levels. So you need to tell yourself your expectations. But the important thing here is you need to be ready to adapt yourself when the price action surprises you. So you need to be quick to change your mind if you have to. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. And as we are day traders, we spend a lot of hours in front of the computers, in front of the charts. And I know that there are many of you that really want to do this so bad that spend a lot of time. Just be careful that don't put the trading your only focal point. And you need to clear your mind. You need to continue your daily life with other people around you, because this is not just a technical game. This involves a lot of emotional side of yourself as well. You need to keep yourself, be ready for it. Don't burn yourself too much for it, because the market is a beast, and perfecting it and being good at this thing, it is going to take some time. Be patient with yourself. This is very important. And don't beat yourself up so much, because this is not easy. And keep learning. And you need to be open to adapt yourself as things are changing when you are learning new things. And you are not alone in the struggle. Even most successful traders, I am sure that they face the same challenges as I know I did, and I am still some days facing the challenges. So you are not alone, and everybody goes through with these things in a different manner. So just understand that this is not just for you. Everybody is going through these things. So keep your head high and keep your risk managed well and your spirits higher. You have got this. Happy trading, and may the profits be ever in your favor. See you on the next video.